Your server communication is broken because your domain controller cannot verify the secure signature of your network records. But you can fix DNS Event 9017 PTR record registration DNS bad K error right now. This frustrating issue happens when security permissions block your machine from updating its location address, meaning we must adjust the Active Directory security settings first. If updating those zone permissions does not clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in corrupt zone files, which brings us to method 2, where we completely recreate the reverse lookup zone to establish a clean slate. Once the zone is rebuilt, we need to clear out the old broken memory paths, leading us directly to method 3, where we flush the system cache and force a fresh registration. If the error still persists, a stubborn group policy restriction is likely blocking the update, forcing us into method 4 to apply a quick registry workaround that resolves restricted credentials. By following these quick steps, you restore perfect communication across your entire Active Directory network domain and permanently stop this event viewer warning from spamming your server.